talk. Koku. See where I am now. Collecting like very bad man breeze. See this tree. You can only find this tree um, in Manchester United. Like this now. I'm in Oyibo man land, enjoying my day, catching cruise with nature. The kind of nature that is here. No be here. You choke. Like say, can you see? Just take a eye look. Very nice place. Before you come here, you have to have like £4,000 before you come here to have a great day. Life is too short, so I got to enjoy.